ayan siya guys.
Punta kami ng Jamia.
Binili niya po guys lahat yung mga yung mga tinda ng Ramlawin sa Jamia guys. So, we're on the way to go home guys. Ayan si Babo.
Say hi, Babo. Itong my vlog.
Hi.
Ayan yung nagmamay-ari ng vlog guys. Ayan.
Pakita mo naman yung ano ha.
Learning pala siya na nagsasalita guys. So,
అందరూ బాగున్నారా?
so guys, ito na po yung daan papunta sa amin. Ayan, papunta sa Salam.
See, there's no traffic. Sabi ng ano namin.
Guys, wala daw traffic kasi si Babu guys ang manager ng traffic force. So, he knows there's no traffic today guys. So, ayan, mabilis lang po ang takbo. Ayan. Ayan si Babu guys. Babu.
Tok, Babo, tok.
హాయ్ అండి, ఎలా
Yeah,
ఉన్నారు
tutok.
అందరూ? బాగున్నారా?
Ayan. Babu Nara daw guys. Babu Nara
Yeah,
means
there's
how are
Indians
you?
also there. Right?
So, ayan guys. May gym dyan guys.
Gym. Ang ganda ng buildings.
Ayan guys, yung mga buildings dyan. Puro mga expat yung mga nakatira dyan guys. Ayan, nagsisitulugan pa lang yung mga tao guys. Kasi ayan yung mga sasakyan nila nakaparada pa lang sa baba ng buildings nila guys. At dyan po guys yung papunta sa aking retoking alaga guys. Ayan. Maya yan, i-play lang para mahaba yung vlog mo. Malayo yung bilihan namin guys sa bahay namin. Kasi dati nasa Faiha po kami guys. Pero lumipat na po kami ng bahay. Pero dun pa rin po kami namamalengke guys. How many kilometer Babo? From Faiha to home? 11? So 11 kilometers guys ang tatakbuhin namin. Tagal-tagal.
15 minutes.
Ha?
10 minutes ride.
Oh, 20 minutes. So, ayan si sun guys. Sunshine. Ayan. Malamig-lamig pa dito sa Kuwait guys. Pero pabalik na sa mainit na panahon guys. Ayan. Anong oras na? Alas 9 na. Pwede ka pang kumanta nukan. Nagmamadali kaming umuwi guys kasi yung lola namin parang dragon yun guys. Yung kapupunta mo pa lang tatawagin ka na agad. Gusto nang bumalik ka na agad guys kahit wala ka pang nabibili. Ganon po yung lola namin guys. Pero kaya po namin i-handle guys. Your friend in Haten?
My friend, your friend.
Teresa friend.
Ah, yeah. My friend,
Yeah, friend
Shinada.
is talking too much, but
Yeah. She can hear you here, but
She can hear you. But then she'll fight with you.
ayan guys, may naglalaro dyan ng cricket. Paborito po guys ng mga Indian people yung crickets guys.
I want to play.
Si Babu guys, hindi yan naglalaro ng crickets. He play another crickets guys. I don't know what kind of crickets he playing guys.
The online. Only.
Basketball.
Malapit mo tayo.
Malapit na kami sa bahay namin guys. Ayan. Ito, ginagawa yung daan papunta sa amin. Yan. 1 year na to guys. More than 1 year na siguro. Ha?
I want to play cricket. It was very far.
Yeah.
You can play there. The opposite house. I saw people playing there.
Meron?
Morning. Every Friday, yeah?
No, not there. Before that.
Not there?
Not there.
Oh, maybe they was waiting to you, but you not go, so they changed another place.
Baka doon na.
I go last Friday, see, I look. But not
You
there.
you play volleyball, Babu?
Yeah, I think
Go Malia, there is too much Filipina there playing volleyball. The seaside.
I am not allowed.
Yeah, it's allowed. Everyone allowed.
You're allowed to watch.
Yeah, once allowed.
Watch best. Watch.
Ayan na guys, yung tulay. Papasok na po sa aming bahay guys. Meron pong Jamia dito guys, pero hindi po kami nagmamarket dito kasi yung lolo namin gusto niyang sa Faiha kami na nagmamarket guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, ginagawa yung daan. Uh-oh.
Yung may friend na siya dyan.
Yung classmate niya. You're so lucky, Ahmad.
Ah,
Dito banda yung Jamia dito sa aming nilipatan na bahay guys. Pero hindi po kami pumupunta dyan. Ayan guys, mosque yan guys. Dasalan ng mga Muslim. Ayan. Ayan guys, naglalakad kami minsan guys pag may binibili kami sa Jamia na mga gamit namin. So, dito na guys, papasok na tayo sa aming bahay.
tapos na.
Ayan.
Pwede na ulit sa trabaho.
Back to work guys. Umikot pa si Lolo Babo.
Siya sa likod.
Umikot-ikot si Kuya Babo na lang.
Traffic pa tuloy.
Last night, this trap
Huh?
coming, this.
Trap? Yan, ito mas trap.
Yeah, trap. Ayun, trap pa sir. Kuya Babo,
Go na clean up tayo ka.
you clean. Don't clean. So guys, andito na po kami sa aming mansion. Ayan
Bye, guys.
guys,
Bye.
napakalaki.
Yeah, coming your palace.
Good night. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment guys. Thank you guys. Babo, say bye.
Bye. See you tonight.